guys, we're back with another fun, super fun, crazy activity. Alrighty, you'll need your parents' help again. We're gonna do the magic pepper experiment. You guys ready? Alrighty, all you need is pepper, soap, and water. So we're gonna pour our water onto our plate, of course. Not too much. And then we're going to pour a ton of pepper in here. The more pepper so we can see it, the better. Are you ready to see what happens next? Let's see. Alrighty, you see how the pepper is on top of the water? Get your finger all gooed up. All gooed up. We'll try this right here. Whoa. Let's see if he'll do it again. Get some more soap on our finger. Oh no! Looks like it only works once. Did you guys see how super cool it was the very first time when we touched it and it spread all the way over here? That was awesome. I hope you guys had success with it too. Ayla had to try a couple of times and you notice it didn't happen on the second time. But that's okay. You gotta keep trying and keep going and eventually you can do it too. Alrighty, I wanna see videos and pictures in the comments down below. I think it'd be super fun, super cool to see it. Alright guys, I hope you had fun. Until next time, bye. See how the pepper is all right here on top of the water? See that? Alrighty, take your dish soap and get your finger all covered in the soap. Oh yeah, soapy, soapy fingers. And watch. It's afraid of my finger. Get some more soap on here. Let's try it again. Oh no, it's failed.